Hi everybody, my name is Melissa Manning and I'm very excited to be a part of this course. I'm currently the instructional strategist at William C. Abney Academy and I'm working on my master's in education leadership for K-12 principalship. The reason why I am working on my master's is because I really want to ensure that all students are able to feel success academically. And I feel like this could happen by creating a culture of understanding the importance of continuous growth for not only students, but for also the teachers. And I feel like when you have that feeling and that culture of continuous growth, you don't get stuck in your ways, and the wheel is always evolving and always turning. And I feel like this will instill a love of learning for students and for the staff. So this is why I am a part of the Masters in Education Leadership program, and I'm really looking forward to collaborating with all of you this semester. Thank you.